In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jira to MySQL. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is open up your preferred web browser and log into your Jira account dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage all your projects, issues, and team collaborations, so you'll want to make sure you have your credentials handy. Once you're logged in, take a look at the main navigation menu on the left side of the screen. You're going to see an option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on that. This section is where you can explore various integrations and extensions that can enhance your Jira experience. Now, after clicking on Apps, you'll see a selection that says Explore More Apps. This is where the magic happens. Click on this option to access the Atlassian Marketplace, which is filled with a plethora of useful integrations. In the Marketplace search bar, type SQL connector for Jira. Make sure you specify SQL, as this app supports various databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, and more. Once you hit enter, you'll see a list of results. From here, take a closer look at the options presented to you. Find the app called SQL Connector among the results. It should be quite noticeable. Click on it to open its details page. On this page, you'll find all the information you need about the connector. It will typically include features, benefits, and user reviews. This is essential because it helps you get a sense of how others have benefited from using this integration. If everything looks good to you, you're ready to take the next step. To proceed with the integration, locate the button that says Try it free. Clicking this will initiate the installation process. Once you press that button, Jira may ask you for a few permissions to install the app. Just follow the prompts and grant the necessary permissions. It's all part of ensuring the integration works seamlessly with your existing Jira setup. After you've successfully installed the connector, you should see a confirmation message or a new link in your Apps menu. Click on it to start configuring the integration with MySQL. This may involve providing your MySQL database details such as the host address, port number, username, and password. Just make sure that you enter this information accurately, as any discrepancies could lead to connection issues. Once you've filled in the necessary MySQL connection parameters, save your settings. If everything is correct, you should now have your Jira connected to your MySQL database. Congratulations! You've just enhanced your Jira functionalities by bridging it with your database, allowing for richer data analysis and management. In summary, by logging into Jira, exploring the Apps section, searching for the SQL connector, and going through the installation process, you can easily integrate MySQL into your Jira workflow. This opens up many possibilities for data reporting and project management. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to click the like button if you did, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on making the most out of your tools.